Hey guys, I am Jared and I am a life coach agent. I just want to take a quick few minutes just to share with you 5 top tips for the next time you buy a home. You see, buying a home can be very exciting, but it can also be very stressful and confusing, especially if you're a first-time home buyer. And the truth is, buying a home doesn't have to be stressful, and it can actually be a simple transaction. And so if you're a home buyer in the next 6-12 months, let me know. I'm here to help you. But here's those 5 top tips. Number 1, take one step at a time. You see, buying a home is not just a one-time moment, it is a series of steps. So make decisions as they come, and as you move through that process, make sure that you deal with every discovery as they come. Number 2, start with your lender. This is critical. I can't say this enough. This will save you a lot of frustration. You see, understanding your financial decision is that first step towards home ownership. Talk to them to understand the parameters and the limitations so that as you set the expectation, you don't meet it with frustration. Number 3, do your due diligence. Never assume when buying a home. Have a home inspection. I cannot say this enough. And take the discoveries and disclosures seriously. And whatever you do, a super insight is do a sewer inspection. It cost me about $2,000 because I didn't do that. My mistake, your lesson to learn. Number 4, trust your gut instinct. We have a gut instinct for a reason. So when something seems off during the process, trust that and talk to your realtor in order to get their expertise and wisdom to support you through that process. And if you need to step back, do that. Take your time. I can't emphasize that enough. And number 5, move quickly when necessary. You see, when you find the right home, don't wait too long. If you remember, number 1, there's a series of steps. So follow those steps, do what's necessary, but make sure when you find the right home, put in the offer. I would hate to see you lose the home that you've been dreaming about because you did not follow a series of steps and you weren't prepared. And just know this, if you buy a home through me as your realtor, if you're in the Central Florida area, I want to do something special. I'm going to give you 5 hours of certified life coaching for free, valued at $750. And if you're not in the market to buy, but you know someone, maybe a family member or friend, and you refer them to me, when they close, I'm going to give you 2 hours of certified life coaching for free. So if you personally find that you're going to be in the market anywhere from next week, next month, up to the next 12 months, just give me a call. Let's do a discovery session. At least that way we can do our due diligence, have you prepared, so when you're ready to pull the trigger, we're ready to go. Have questions about this? Feel free to give me a call at 407-493-8872 or visit me online at lifecoachagent.com. I look forward to getting to know you, supporting you, and having the opportunity to become your realtor for life. Take care.